learning by doing. The philosophy of our founder Sir Walter Solomon remains at the heart of young enterprise today.
Over the last 6 decades, we've given more than 7 million young people access to practical, real-world opportunities, helping them grow their skills, gain knowledge, and develop an enterprising mindset.
We have empowered each generation to learn, to work, and to look after their money, regardless of their starting point in life.
With over 2,600 dedicated volunteers helping each year, we will continue to innovate, adapt, and respond, opening doors and providing the tools necessary so that all young people have the opportunities they deserve.
And the confidence to fulfill their potential in the working world, so that no matter what obstacles are put in their way, our young people can grow into adults who are capable of navigating challenges, maximising opportunities, and contributing to a brighter outlook for all.
60 years has passed, and our commitment and ambition have grown ever stronger. By creating fresh opportunities to help young people unlock their potential, we're investing in all of our futures.
And together, we can ensure that over the next 60 years, we continue to champion, foster, and support the changing needs of young people. Together, we can ensure no young person is left behind.